Welcome back. In a campaign called What You Don't See, Connecticut's largest teachers union is shining a light on the physical and mental challenges educators and students are facing right now.
The Connecticut Education Association created a series of videos to help paint a picture of the situation for lawmakers. Now, only one of those videos is public as of right now. The others have been shared exclusively with Fox 61. Our Julia LeBlanc has the story.
There are some things we know about our schools.
There's a mental health crisis in our schools.
But there's a lot more to it that we don't see.
Gavin, he was a very bright young man. On November 1st, 2019, he told me on a Friday night that he had to go to the store and go get some school supplies for one of the school projects. And he never came back. And it's the night he took his life.
Powerful testimony from parents and those on the front lines battling the mental health crisis in Connecticut schools.
Our kids.
It's all part of a campaign called What You Don't See, led by the state's largest teachers union. They want lawmakers to see how critical the need is.
This is a system that needs a lot of support.
Kate Diaz, CEA president, says there's more anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideation happening in schools than most people can handle.
We need mental health professionals to help our kids through this, and you need more of them.
One of the main problems here is there's not enough people to help the students. The standard is to have one counselor see a maximum of 250 students, but right now the average ratio for Connecticut schools is one counselor for 457 students.
Right now, that my biggest fear is that I missed a kid that said, "Mr. Dara, I'm going to hurt myself."
Curtis Starr says these problems existed before the pandemic, but they're growing.
I think right now is the time for our voices to be heard and for legislators to know that, hey, schools do a lot.
And they are paying attention. This week, the Senate is introducing a new bill focused on mental health help for children. But this campaign is to make sure that these stories are not forgotten.
Making sure that as decisions are made that are critical, that the voices that they're keeping really at the forefront are those who are going to be most impacted.
Julia LeBlanc, Fox 61 News.